So, say when.
Go ahead.
Hey everyone, Dave Cook at DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. Got Mark with me, and we are repairing some wallpaper. So we are at a restaurant here in Chicago, suburbs, and they have changed out the light fixtures. So luckily they had the wallpaper that was here, so we're just taking out the older wallpaper. There's a couple layers in there. And so we already cut some pieces to kind of fit on there. So just making sure it fits. So what we're doing is we're gonna glue the wall that we're pasting, and then we're gonna lay this on top of it. And then we're gonna take this off, we'll double cut it, pull the old paper off, and then stick the new. So we'll do that real quick so you can kind of see how it looks. If you don't have the same wallpaper, you're gonna have issues with matching this stuff. Luckily they had on site for the last time they installed this stuff. I'm just putting it on the wall just to make sure that it's almost like glue. Well, not, it is glue, but the way it sticks to the wall, so it doesn't have to worry about moving around, sliding. We know exactly where we're gonna make our cuts. So I know that's how it's gonna sit. So I'm taking regular masking tape. Normally right about now the phone rings and the video's garbage. So hopefully the phone doesn't ring. And if you're working by a toilet, put tape on little readers because every time you move, this thing will keep flushing. So it'll keep the toilet from flushing while you're working there. So we're just gonna take a straight edge and a snap off knife. I'm just gonna cut straight through, double cutting the new wallpaper and the old wallpaper. Now we just pull the tape, the piece we didn't need. And I'm just gonna add a little more glue to the wall. That way this piece for sure sticks. And there you go. So all we're gonna do now is I'm gonna let it tack up a little bit, so I'll let it sit for a couple minutes. And let's get a sponge, wipe it off, and you can actually go to the one we just did. You can kind of see what it looks like when we're done. Oh, that was still wiped off. So there you go, there's the one that's all completed. So you can kind of see the lines sometimes, but I'll bet 80% of people don't even notice it's there. So if you've got questions about repairing wallpaper, definitely give us a call at DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in. Thanks.